Welcome back to End Pets channel. Start the day with my energetic video. Have a nice day. Now let's get started. I'm helping the mistress move her things. I have worked hard, so tonight I will definitely be rewarded with a delicious meal. Oh, delicious! I want to eat them too. Why doesn't the boss know how to cook this? The dog can be considered as a farmer taking care of his cattle. Yeah, I did it! Thank you very much! Come on, try hard. I will always be here for you. Looks dangerous. The dog is going to rescue the world. This is my place. I'm mad at you. Sorry, I have been holding off for too long. Does the beard suit me? I think the girls will like me very much. I need to go to sleep and dream immediately. I hate summer. My body keeps sweating. Stop! I don't like my ears getting wet. Oh, cake! Give me a bite, please. The weather is nice today. I'm feeling very happy. Hi, what advice do you need? I am always ready to listen. We went to the supermarket to buy things for the new house. Little children are waiting to go to school. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give a comment for this lovely and funny video. Goodbye and see you again.